In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an empty box in Canva. An empty box is simply a square with no fill and a visible outline, perfect for framing text, highlighting sections, or creating a clean, minimal design element. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along easily. Start by opening your project in Canva so you're on the design you want to edit. On the left-hand side, you'll see the panel with different options. Click on Elements. This is where all the basic shapes, graphics, and design components live. In the Elements panel, use the search bar and type the word square. You'll see a basic square shape appear among the results. Click it once to add it to your canvas. It may drop in as a solid shape, which is exactly what we need to begin with. With the square selected, look for its color settings. You'll usually find a color tile or a fill color button either above the canvas or in a small floating toolbar. Click that color tile to open the color options. Among the color swatches, pick the one with a diagonal slash through it. This is the no color or transparent option. The moment you click it, the fill disappears and the inside of your square becomes completely clear, leaving only the outline to work with. Now it's time to style the outline so it looks clean and intentional. While the square is still selected, move to the toolbar above the canvas and find the stroke style controls. Depending on your layout, it may be labeled stroke style or border style. Click it, then choose the solid line option. This ensures the outline is a continuous, smooth border rather than a dashed or dotted one. Right there in the same controls, adjust the weight, sometimes called thickness. Slide it up or down to get the exact look you want. A lighter weight gives you a subtle frame. A heavier weight creates a bold, attention-grabbing box. Take a moment to preview the result on your design so it complements your layout. If you don't see the stroke controls, make sure the square is selected. The toolbar options only appear for the active object. Once you're happy with the outline weight, you're done. You've created a clean, empty box in Canva that you can place over photos, around headings, or anywhere you need a simple frame. That's all it takes.